Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cupcake Jemma channel. I thought you might like to meet some new members of the team, and they're actually not new, they've been with us for ages, but they're probably new to you. I thought you might like to see what Giuseppe and Julie get up to on a morning here at Crumbs and Doilies Soho. And today they're going to make cereal Rocky Road and Biscoff Rocky Road for you, so I thought you might like to see how that's done. Over to Giuseppe, that's hard, over to Giuseppe and Julie.
Everything is romantic. Wasn't my everything. I keep forgetting this on mic. Anyway. As you can see, it's coming together really nicely.
What texture are we looking for?
We are looking for like a sandy, wet sand, greased and limed.
Greased and limed,
Wow.
Bye! Cereal Milk Rocky Road is so good. Love it. Oh, you know, Biscoff's great too, but Cereal Rocky Road is a new kid on the block. I hope you enjoyed that. Please remember that we sell these things in C&D Soho, so make sure you pop along to get a piece. Or, if you're in the UK, we also sell these things as tray bakes for postal delivery UK-wide, so you can get yourself a whole one of these for your party or yourself for no reason at all, just because it's Tuesday. So make sure you check out crumbsanddoilies.co.uk for all of our delicious treats, and I will see you soon. Bye. Why don't I have one right here? There isn't even, I don't even have one. Out of order. Out of order.